So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I manage correlating pairs. So now look at the DXY currently. The current state of the DXY is like this. Now let me show you the EURUSD. See how the EURUSD is. There's a trick here. If you click on, maybe left click, depending on what you use, or you double click, if you use a MacBook, and you invert the scale. This is EURUSD. Look at how it's playing out. Look at the patterns. I want you to pay attention and examine the patterns. Look at, we have the head, the shoulder, the head, another shoulder here, and look at where price is at the moment. Now if you go to DXY, this is DXY, and you look at DXY, I already inverted the DXY. That's why it's looking like this. So if I remove the invert scale, look at, it looks exactly like what the EURUSD looks like. But the trick about it is, just because it looks exactly like it doesn't mean it has to play the patterns in the same time or in the same way. No, it doesn't correlate like that. What I mean by correlation is, when you see the DXY selling, that gives you a cue to understand that the EURUSD, that's the euro dollar, will be buying. Yeah, this same thing affects the GBPUSD, but it's just that the pound sometimes doesn't really move exactly like what the euro would do. But the move, if the dollar is selling, most of the time, 70% of the time, the pound is also is going to be buying, because the dollar is weakening, the pound is also gaining value. So that's the correlation. So how do you use this to your advantage is the purpose of this video. So now if I look at this is the current live market. So if I look at what DXY is doing right now, it's giving me signs of weakening, like, okay, price is weakening around this side, or inversely giving me signs that we're on a downtrend. If I look at this and I see a downtrend here, I'll automatically know that the euro will be buying. So what do I do with this knowledge? I find opportunities to buy. So in the current market right now, I am looking for a buy around here based on my strategy. So if price comes, let's say, let me get my tool, price comes back here to this supply zone, or the demand zone, I'm going to join the buyers to buy it all the way up here. Easy as that. So you use correlating pairs to your advantage, and this affects, I trade in NZD-USD, affects the NZD-USD, but now look at NZD-USD, it's not as clean as the euro. It affects, but does not affect as, like, indirectly affects, but it affects. So the more you continue to understand these things, the more you understand how to use them to your advantage. So as I see that the dollar is currently selling, I'm looking for opportunity to start buying other pairs that are correlating with the USD. Now on the GBP angle, I can see currently that we are trying to we just broke above this major resistance zone. When we got here the first time, price sold. We got here close to this place, it sold, and we got here, we sold a bit, but dollar is currently selling, so it broke back all the way up. So what do I do? As a demand and supply trader, I'm looking for quick zones around here to buy and take my trade all the way up here. That's if price decides to move. Remember, there's no guarantee in the market. So this is just one of the few things that, knowing how pairs correlate, you can use it to your own advantage. So yeah, that will be all for today on this particular topic. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll be here to serve you as we always do. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.